Okay, beautiful beings. Here's our one with acorns. My favorite. And here's another one. The one that we had the bath salt on. And then it was a total flop. We had to peel it all off. And then we put all kinds of different materials on it. Same with this one. Then we did texture though on the bottom. This one would be like a great one magnet or an ornament. You leave the string in, the hole for the string. This would make a great ornament. Then we have our glitter one. And we used Elena's tacky glue instead of Mod Podge. And it left a nice texture in there. So keep that in mind if you want texture instead of just it all over, because that's what Mod Podge would do, to put it all over the acorn. And this one with the micro beads and our scented bag from Dollar Tree of passion flower. Now I'm just gonna spruce them up a little bit, and I inked all of my words. This is what I'm planning on putting on, and I didn't use brown. I used Distressed Age Mahogany because that just fit with that. It just fit with everything actually. Okay, so let's move this one up here because I'm not putting nothing on this one because it has so much nice texture. I think it looks fine the way it is. This is the plan. Don't mind my thumb. I scraped it. I was putting some cookie sheets and cookie racks away and it scraped. Scraped my cuticle. Now if I remember how I wanted this. Something, I think I had it this way. Yeah. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Elena's glue and apply it. I want that leaf so it's not hanging off. This is upside down. And I'm gonna put Wander. Maybe I had it up like that. I think I did. I gotta wipe my finger. Wander. And then Discover. Somewhere like that. So I'm gonna wanna do the leaf next. This is another die cut. Got a little bit too much glue, but it's hard not to do with those being so thin. Then our Discover. I want it off the edge over there. So there's that one. Wander, Discover. Take a walk out in the woods and enjoy nature. Its beauty and all of its noises. Okay, I'm gonna put that one up here. Move this one down. Out. Excuse me, how I had this one. I was thinking I put these the opposite. These are more die cuts. I put them the opposite way because I was just going to like slap them in the middle like that. Okay. I didn't ink around this one. I thought I inked around all of them, but I didn't. Ink this up real fast. It must have been because of the line color. inked it. Sure that's in the middle. Make sure it's straight. It is. If you don't want to decorate these, you don't have to. They're beautiful just the way they are. Oops, see, I got that one going wrong way. I want them opposite ways. Just trying to figure out where I had. If I put, yep, I'm going to put that down first. After I ink it up with the aged mahogany ink. Then do the side. Just blowing because stuff comes off of here sometimes. I just blew everything off. That's okay. Let's get this down to far as we can. Center it from this one, the middle. Pretty centered. Now these ones are going to be tricky because of glue. So I'm just going to put the glue on the leaves, I think. I already screwed it up too much already. Now I'm going to try to get the vein. Just want a little bit. Set that down to this one. That's why I like the die cuts, because you can add your own embellishments that you make with the die cuts. And I'm going to put this one up a little bit. And then this one, I'm going to have the stem going the opposite way. Like this, and put this one down a little bit. Voila! Tap a little of that glue out of there. And there's that one. This one up. Move this one over, and on this one, I don't want the dark up there. So again, just doing. Probably just do that, but I was thinking about putting some up there like that because I think it looks cute. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to glue them all, lay them upside down until I figure out where I want it. And again on this, I'm just going to do a little on the stem, not even squeezing, and then on the leaves. Not doing the vein. I don't want to let glue ooze out. I think these turned out cute, and I hope it gives you ideas for what you can use them for, and textures that you can put on them. Right, make sure this is upside down. I'm not going to push yet because I don't know where I want this. Get this picked up. Don't want to cover the Y. A little bit more. It's coming with it. That's in the middle. And I got a piece of fuzz or something. There, that's good. There. Take this one and put it the opposite way. Put it down as much as I can without covering up the word. And voila, there's that one. Journey. Then we got one more. And this one says friends. And that would be a great idea to find a word. This for any kind of word, but friends is an example, and make one for a friend for the birthday or just for being your friend. I'm not sure how I had, oh, I dropped it. I'm not sure how I had this. I think I want this up here and that on the bottom. And this one will hang off a little bit. I'll wipe that glue off. This one will hang off. And this is gonna be even more difficult. Do I have my other glue? Let's see, yeah, I do. So I'm gonna use this one. If I can, yeah. Art glitter, because this comes out and it's just for this. Unless it's not gonna come out. Are you gonna be stuck on me? Come on. Don't be dried up, please. I need you. But this blue is perfect. Yeah, good. Perfect for these little pieces like this. So you don't get a bunch of glue oozing out. So I love this glue. And it is pricey, but that's the only reason I use it is for this stuff like this. Or hard to stick stuff. But it's perfect for it. How am I gonna do this? I need to get down here and right there. There we go. Oops, and I don't know if I want it this way or the other way. And of course, like I said, this one will be hanging off. That's okay. And it doesn't matter, I put the glue over there. That'll just secure it, make it a little stronger. Okay, and that one would be a great one for a tree too. Okay. I'll do one more close up. Look what I was doing. I'm putting the wrong glue lid on the wrong glue. I'll do a close up so you can see them up close. And then I'll be able to post part 2. Okay? Okay. Wander, discover. I think that needs to go down a little bit. And make magnets out of them. You can hang them. You can make bookmarks out of them. Just glue one of these on the back of them. Paint it whatever color you want. It matches your project. This one, I love the texture. Escape the ordinary. Journey. On her glitter one. Our glitter lovers. I just love how that Elena's did that pattern back in there. See that pattern back in there? I like using that now. Now I know that. I'll use that instead of Mod Podge because Mod Podge ends up covering the whole thing. And friends. Love, love, love them. Hope you love them too. Have a wonderful epic